How is everyone doing? Happy Saturday! Welcome back to this week's AsterSpring workshop, Your Great Skin Health, Our Journey Together. As always, we are here to spend the morning along with you to have a chat about ways that we can continue to take care of our skin while we're staying safe and staying at home. I'm your host, Elaine Chin, educator here at AsterSpring, and today we are back with another edition to our Face Gym series. Today is our 6th episode and we will be focusing on how we can stimulate collagen with Face Gym. Okay, so by now we've done quite a few of these workshops on Face Gym. So don't worry if you missed out on the previous ones because the tutorials will be uploaded onto our AsterSpring YouTube channel and you can just head over there and check out the videos whenever you like. Okay, so if we're all ready, let's get started with today's Face Gym. Okay, so we all know that collagen is one of the key players in maintaining that tight and firm skin. That's why many of us spend tons of money on products which can help to boost up our collagen. It's also important to point out that collagen needs to be healthy and strong because only then it can provide enough support that our skin needs to give it that youthful, tight appearance. And also like this, it will not be affected easily by those harmful external factors like exposure to the environment or UV rays. Okay, you can see here in the picture that when our collagen is weak and disorganized, our skin loses its firmness, so wrinkles and fine lines will also form more easily. On the other hand, when our collagen is healthy, our skin gets the support it needs to maintain that firm structure. At AsterSpring, our treatments are always the heart and soul of how we help our customers reach their skin goals, which is why we invest in cutting-edge, innovative products and technology like LDM ultrasound and HIFU to enhance the stimulation of strong and healthy collagen during our skin treatments. Did you know that by simply adding in some facial exercises, we can also help to send signals to our skin to stimulate more collagen? When we apply physical stimulation through facial massages on our skin, we can generate a response deep within our skin, particularly in our fibroblasts. So these are the cells that are responsible for making collagen. One of the causes of skin losing its firmness is the loss of collagen. So just like our body, as we go through the aging process, our collagen becomes weaker and fibroblasts become less active as well. So it's important that we keep it active, and an easy way to do it is through Face Gym. Just like the muscles in our body, our face also needs that workout. It provides the complete enhancement for our skin and muscle toning for an overall youthful appearance. The first one will be on our cheeks. So before we get into that, let me just apply this serum all over my face and my neck area as well. Okay, so when I squeeze it out, it looks like this. And I'm just going to apply it onto my face and neck. Alright, so make sure there's enough so that later on, when we are doing the massages, there's enough slip and glide. Okay, so I'm applying a little bit more onto my neck area. Okay, so let's take a look at the first move. So the first move is on our cheeks. So with our fingers, we're going to be doing a tapping motion. So this tapping really helps to wake up our skin, helps with the absorption of products as well. So we'll be doing this tapping motion for 1 minute. If we're all ready, let's get started. Okay, so you can see I'm slowly moving around my cheek area, inner cheek to the outer cheek, and then down and up. So I actually do this every day in the morning and at night as well to help with the absorption of my products and to help wake up my skin. So we have about half a minute left. So I'll concentrate on my inner cheek area, then I'll move outwards, down, and then back up again. It's tapping, yes, tapping our cheeks. Don't need to do it too hard, we're just tapping with good pressure so that everything gets absorbed and your skin is being stimulated. Okay, and we're done with this first movement. So next is our forehead and chin area. So this is also a tapping movement which I'm going to alternate on my forehead and my chin area. And we're going to do this for 30 seconds. Okay, so let's get started. Around my chin area, upper lip area as well, and also my forehead area, because we're tapping all the skincare products in. So we have about 10 more seconds on this. And we're done. Okay, so that was the tapping motion around our cheeks, forehead and chin area. Okay, so next is the eye area, because our eyes are really what give us that energized look to our entire face. So we definitely need to massage around there as well. So to rejuvenate the eye area, we're still going to be using a tapping motion, but since the area is smaller, we're going to be using just 3 fingers. So just these 3 fingers here, and then we're tapping like this, move out towards the temples and up towards the top. So it's repeated tapping like this, and we're going to be doing this for 30 seconds. Okay, if everyone's ready, let's go. Okay, so I'm tapping on the bone just below the eye, and then to the temples and to the brow bone. Okay, we have 5 more seconds. And we're done. Alright, so those were the tapping movements. Now, we're changing it up a little bit. To plump up our cheeks, we're going to be using a pinching method. So, put your hands like this, and then you just support your index finger on your cheekbone. And we're going to be pinching upwards like this. So I'm alternating both gums like this, and it'll be the same on the other side. So we're supporting on top here, on top of our cheekbones, and then we're pinching upwards, moving upwards like this, alternating both thumbs. Okay, so we're going to be doing 30 seconds on this side, 30 seconds on this side. Okay, so we're ready, let's get started. Alternating, going from the inner cheek to the outer cheek area. You can move faster if you're used to the movement, so that it will be a great workout for your skin. Okay, time to move on to the other side. See, I'm moving my thumbs, alternating towards the inner cheek, then towards the outer cheek. Three more seconds. Okay, so we're done on that move. So the next one will be to smoothen out our forehead area, stimulate a bit of the collagen there. Okay, this one we're going to be using our fingers on our hands to just massage upwards, like this. So it's small circular motions in an upwards direction. So we're going to be moving from the inner part of our forehead towards the outer part slowly. Okay, so let's get started. We'll do this for 1 minute. Remember to take your time with these massages. to really give your skin a good workout. Alright, about half a minute left. You can see I'm moving from the inner forehead towards the outside, and then I'm going back in the middle again. Five more seconds. Okay, and we're done. So the last area that we need to focus on is our neck. So with our neck, we're going to be using a knuckling method to massage around the neck area, all around it, so from the back towards the front. So I'm going to apply a little bit more serum because then it'll be easier to do the massages. Okay, so we're going to be using our knuckles like this, and we're moving. I'll start from the side of my neck towards the back, up and down, and then back towards the front like this. And then towards the back again. Okay, so we're going to be repeating this for 1 minute. Right? Let's go. Now when you're doing this, just apply firm pressure up and down. Just move towards the middle and then back towards the back of the neck. I'm just stopping before the middle here because we don't want to touch the middle. We're just moving towards this part. And then we'll move back to the back of the neck. With firm pressure, you don't need to go too fast. Just a steady pace. Okay, 5 more seconds. Right, okay, so we're done. Okay, that was quite the arm workout as well, especially the last move on the neck, because I can feel the workout in my arms. But that's great because yes, we're waking up this morning and we're working out our skin. So now if you're at home and you're facing some skin concerns, skin issues, you can definitely take advantage of the one-to-one online consultation. So this is a video call with one of our professional skin therapists, and they'll be able to offer you some advice on how to take care of your skin while you're at home now. Alright, so everyone is enjoying the workshop. Thank you so much for joining us again. Have a great week ahead. Have a nice relaxing weekend and stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you next week. Bye!